All our travel enthusiasts, in today's episode, we are inviting you to a food fight. It's not an ordinary fight across the table, but the world's biggest food fight. This ultimate event takes place in the picturesque town of Buñol, Spain. Dive into the fun and chaos of La Tomatina, where the streets are packed with ripe red tomatoes, and the energy is through the roof. Did you know that a spontaneous tomato fight among local youths sparked this to be an annual event? The best and most convenient route to Buñol is to fly directly to the city of Valencia. Upon arrival, you can easily reach Buñol by train, bus, or car. The festival starts early in the morning with the Palo Jaban, a greasy pole climb where participants attempt to grab a ham placed on top of a slippery pole. Once someone succeeds, the real fun begins. At around 11 in the morning, a cannon blast marks the beginning of the tomato fight, and trucks filled with overripe tomatoes enter the square. For the next hour, it's wild and cheerful as participants throw tomatoes at each other, transforming the streets into a sea of red. Don't forget to wear old clothes and goggles to shield your eyes from tomato juice. The town offers shower facilities for participants to clean up afterward, so you won't be sticky for long. Remember that the battle lasts exactly an hour, so seize the moment. After the fun, take your time to explore Buñol's local culture, including the Turch Cave and the oceanographic. Explore the lovely parks and historic sites, and taste the delicious Spanish cuisine. La Tomatina is more than just a food fight. It's an unforgettable experience of fun, laughter, and togetherness. So pack your bags, get ready to throw some tomatoes, and make memories that will last a lifetime. See you in Buñol.